Well, howdy folks, Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn, and today we are at Bellsmith Springs here on this Thanksgiving Day 2025. We come here every Thanksgiving and we clean up trash, so that's what we're doing here today. We were here not too long ago and we seen that it definitely needs a cleaning, and that's why we're here. Trying to give our thanks to the Shawnee National Forest by making a very cool place look a lot better. So we've been doing this every year for quite a while. So that's what we're gonna do, and you get to come with us. All right, so far got a little bit in my bag, mainly cans, beer cans. In my opinion, the Shawnee National Forest could do a lot of good by prohibiting alcohol from Bellsmith Springs. And I know some of you won't like that, but it would stop a lot of this crap, maybe. It would make it where if you did bring it out here, it'd be illegal, and they can charge you with a crime for it, ticket you for it, make some money for the forest. But that's the problem. That's the biggest problem out here is alcohol. Just containers. So ban drinking altogether. People can go to bars for that. And this place would be a lot better. I can't not show you the beauty of this area in this video as well. Like these cool stairs on the Blue Trail. It's kind of a good alternative up and down if you don't like taking the big stairs. A lot of people don't know about it if they never get on the Blue Trail. I just want to know, how do you lose just a single crock? What is going on down here where you're losing a crock? Just one crock, there's no other crock. It's like, what in tarnation is going on? Why would anyone want to trash a place like this? Some people say that all my videos and stuff bring these people over here, but yet those are definitely not the people I'm targeting. If those people are watching my videos, here's the honest truth. I hate you. I hate you, and I don't think you should be allowed on public land. If you litter in the forest, you should be banned from all public land. So don't watch me, because I'm not your friend. But here's the thing. If I am bringing some of these people here, which I don't think I am, I'll be more than happy to get out on a holiday and help clean up trash. So that's my response to the naysayers. All right, folks, so we got a trash bag that was left with trash in it. All right, we were able to get the trash bag picked up, and now I'm in the jungle, the pine jungle, or not the pine jungle, the cane jungle, right before you get to the jumping spring. For some reason, they love throwing trash in here, and I don't understand. I really don't. I think they just want to spite us, but we'll get it. All right, folks, here's what we got. A couple of pretty bags full right here. Then we have two more back yonder. So I had to go through the cane madness over here by the jumping spring to get as much as we could out. I'm sure we didn't get it all, but there's some of it just surrounded by briars. We just can't get to it. So they really need to come in here and burn it. But yep, we got most of it. So it's gonna start looking better, because it is a pretty area. Gotta make this area look great. Alrighty, here at the beautiful jumping spring, Bellsmith Springs. Iconic, historic jumping rocks. So you get on top of the rocks, these rocks here, and jump right off. There's even a little like bridge and stairway type thing. So I jump off into there. Arms are kind of scratched up from Sticker Bush. Glad I got a tetanus shot. So we were filling up our trash bags. We were definitely filling them up. And here's our haul out. I don't know if you can tell. It's getting pretty dark. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. There you go. That's our haul out. Now we gotta take it up these stairs. That's the worst part. That's what we're not looking forward to. Alrighty, folks. Back up at the top here. And kind of low light, but there you go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pretty good size bags of trash. Bell Smith Springs is a lot cleaner. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Till next time, see you on the trail. And if you pack it in, pack it out, folks. If you see anything, pack it out with you. Make it better than you found it. Leave no trace.